Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to another tutorial. Welcome back to Bake with Funmi. So by the title of this video, you already know what we're making. So like the title says, no fuzz. And on this channel, I bring you very easy and simple, straightforward recipes. So if you're a lemon lover, this recipe is for you. So do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also like this video and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time my video drops. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight to the video. So to start with, we'll need flour, eggs, sugar, oil, yogurt, lemon, zest of a lemon and lemon juice, and then we need baking powder, salt and vanilla. So in a clean bowl, we're going to add in all of our ingredients except the flour and the salt and the baking powder. So do well to check the description box below for the recipe and the list of ingredients and measurements. And now we're just going to mix everything up to bring them together, then we'll move to the next stage. Now we're just going to add in our flour and our baking powder and pinch of salt and just sift it in and then mix together. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please consider to hit the subscribe button and don't make this your last. On this channel, I share baking tricks and baking hacks. I share amazing baking tutorials and baking recipes. You're going to love it here. Consider to subscribe, consider to join this community, and please give this video a big thumbs up. And also you can go through my playlist for amazing recipes, and also share my videos and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time a new video drops. So next we're just going to mix everything gently together and bring them together, and lastly we're going to add in our vanilla flavor. And our oven should have been preheated to 170 degrees Celsius, and then our pan greased and lined already. So you're going to use your spatula to fold everything and scrape from the bottom so that you'll be sure everything is well mixed together. And then you're going to get your pan, and then you're going to pour your batter into your greased and lined pan, and then you can just tap it a little bit on your work surface to release the air bubbles in the batter. So just smoothen the top of your batter, making sure it's smooth, and then we're going to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And our lemon yogurt cake is ready. I'm just going to let this cool down for a while, and then I went ahead to make little glaze, that's icing sugar and little water, just to drizzle over the cake. So feel free to double this recipe if you want. You can use it for any shape of cake, any pan. You can use it for your fondant cakes, you can use it for your buttercream cakes. This flavor is very nice, and it has nice texture and crumb, so it can work for any kind of cakes that you want to layer it with. So I'm just going to cut and show you how it looks on the inside. It is very delicious and very beautiful. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you're inspired to try this recipe, and do let me know in the comment section if you're going to try it and when you try it, and please come back and leave me your review. Let me know how yours turned out. Don't forget to like, share and comment. It really helps the channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for the great support. So I'll see you in my next tutorial. Happy baking!